Welcome to our guide on structuring academic presentations. Today, we'll explore how structure can enhance your presentation skills. A well-structured presentation helps guide your audience through complex topics. It ensures your ideas are presented logically. This makes it easier for students to retain key points. Why is structure so crucial in academic presentations? A clear structure helps navigate through complex information. It ensures ideas are logically presented. This aids in student retention of key points. A well-structured presentation is more engaging and effective. The introduction is where you capture attention and set the stage. Introduce your topic and provide a roadmap of what to expect. For example, start with a statement like, "Today, I'll be discussing the impact of climate change on agriculture." Use a brief, engaging overview to set up your presentation's purpose. This helps your audience follow along with ease. The main body is the core of your presentation. Here, you present detailed information, arguments, or findings. Organize your content into subsections with clear transitions. Use phrases like first, next, and finally to guide your audience. Breaking down complex information and using examples enhances understanding. The conclusion is your chance to summarize and reinforce key points. For instance, in summary, climate change presents both challenges and opportunities for agriculture. End with a call to action or a thought-provoking question. This leaves a lasting impact on your audience. Reinforce the main takeaway effectively. A roadmap in your introduction is invaluable. It outlines the structure of your presentation. This helps students follow along more easily. It sets expectations for the flow of information. A clear roadmap can greatly enhance comprehension. Arrange your ideas in a logical sequence. Each point should build upon the previous one. Use transitional phrases like "building on that" to maintain flow. This ensures clarity and coherence in your presentation. Logical flow aids in student understanding. Pause to summarize at the end of major sections. This helps students consolidate information. It prepares them for the next segment of your presentation. Summarizing reinforces understanding and retention. Make it a habit to recap key points. Simplicity is key in effective communication. Avoid overloading students with too much information. Use simple language and clear visuals. This ensures your message is easily understood. Keep it simple for maximum impact. A clear structure enhances the delivery of your message. Organized content engages students effectively. By following these strategies, you can improve your presentation skills. This will enhance the learning experience for your students. Structure is the backbone of effective presentations. Thank you for watching our guide on academic presentations. Subscribe for more tips on presentation skills and communication. We hope you found this video helpful.